Underwriters Laboratories Food Safety sponsored this pilot project to study traceability in the fresh produce industry. Special thanks to our primary participants, Levu Citrus, Associated Grocers, and FoodLogiQ. The Produce Traceability Initiative, or PTI, is an industry-wide effort to electronically trace cases of fresh produce from packer to retailer or restaurant by the end of 2012. The goal of the PTI is to build consumer confidence in the fresh produce industry by narrowing the scope, shortening the duration, and mitigating the impact of foodborne illness-related recalls. Critical Tracking Events, or CTEs, capture the where, what, when, and why for traceability. Global Location Numbers, or GLNs, are used to define locations. Global Trade Identification Numbers, or GTINs, are used to define unique combinations of brand owner, brand, product, and package size, weight, or quantity. Standard PTI case labels have, at minimum, commodity, variety, pack size, pack style, voice pick code, and a GS1 128 barcode that includes GTIN and lot number. At harvest time, crops are received in field bins at a packing location. This is a critical tracking event that captures the GLN of the field and the packing shed, along with the GTIN and quantity of the product and the date and time of receipt. Once the product is cleaned and packed into a finished case, a critical tracking event may be created when the case is then labeled with a PTI-compliant case label. Standard PTI hybrid pallet labels include multiple barcodes based on the GTIN, lot, and quantity of the contents contained on the pallet, along with the SSCC, which is a unique serial number for each pallet. A quick scan of the SSCC enables receipt of the pallet and its contents, given that the shipper has provided the receiving customer with an advanced shipment notice, or ASN. Additional critical tracking events captured as part of whole chain traceability include shipment to distribution center, receipt at distribution center, put away into storage, pick from storage, and ship to retail store. Collection of critical tracking events in a uniform manner simplifies traceability reporting and enables quicker source detection in the case of an outbreak. Each critical tracking event throughout the supply chain uses the same GTIN and lot code to identify the case from grower, packer, shipper to retail location. During the course of the pilot, we determined the importance of location identification and advanced shipment notification, as well as the need for uniform storage of critical tracking events and a universal standard for auditing CTEs across the whole value chain. Thanks again to all of our pilot participants.